Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone X and removing the SIM tray so nothing draws power. Apply gentle heat, use a hair dryer or heat pad, to the camera area for 30-60 seconds to soften adhesive. This reduces risk of cracking. Use a small suction cup and a plastic pick to lift the rear glass around the camera. Keep pressure even and pry slowly to separate adhesive without flexing the chassis. Once a gap exists, pause and inspect for glued edges before proceeding. You now focus on removing the broken camera glass while protecting the sensor and flex cable. Gently lift the glass with picks while holding the phone steady. If shards resist, reheat briefly. Too much heat warps components. After removal, apply 90% plus isopropyl to a lint-free swab and clean adhesive residue, because clean surfaces ensure new adhesive bonds properly. Inspect the lens and optical stabilizer. If you see scratches or dust, address those now. Since a clean mount preserves image, you place the replacement camera glass, aligning it with the lens opening and any locating tabs. Press evenly around the perimeter to seat the adhesive. Avoid overpressure that could crack the new piece. Reinsert the SIM tray, power on the phone, and test photo modes, focus, flash, and optical stabilizer to confirm full function. If you see blur or artifacts, reopen and check for trapped debris or misaligned glass. If the camera fails, inspect the flex cable connection and reseat it before assuming the camera module is damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.